Hello class, in this video we will study class 10th maths chapter 4 quadratic equation. So in previous video we have studied about the introduction part, solution of the equation by three method. The first is factorization method we have done, uh, completing the square method we have done. Now in this video we will study about quadratic formula. Okay, so why we need a quadratic formula? First we take this concept by taking example. So now I took example 4x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0 and solve it to find a solution by completing the square method. To which type of steps we have taken, the last completing the square method we will apply here. Okay, so divide by 4 in this equation, divide by 4 in this equation, because we need to make this coefficient of x square is unit. So divide 4 cut it down, and this becomes 3 by 4, 5 by 4, and 0 by 4. Okay, next, what the next step we have done in completing the square method, we add and subtract, uh, square of half of coefficient of x, half of square of coefficient of x. So this is the coefficient of x is 3 by 4, and half of 3 by 4 is 3 by 8. So square and minus, this becomes this part, and this is 3 by 8 whole square, 3 by 8 whole square. First time the plus and second time is this is minus. Okay, so 3 by 8 whole square is here. Okay, minus 3 by 8 whole square. When you open it, this is 9 upon 64. So now taking sum here, this portion is called x plus 3 by 8 ka whole square. 80 minus 9 is 71 upon 64. When 71 upon 64 goes to the RHS side, this become minus upon 71 upon 64. And what we observe here, square of any number is never be negative. Just like 1 chi square is 1, 2 chi square is 4, 3 chi square is um, 3 chi square is 9, and we always when we square of any number, we always get a positive, but here is a negative. So it means we never get solution of this equation. But 3 upon 8 whole square can't be negative for any real number of x, so there is no real values of x, satisfying the given equation. So if these types of equation has given, how you can find solution of the equation, how you can find? So if you need to find solution of the equation, you need some formula. That's why we will get we will got this quadratic formula. So how you will got this formula? Okay, so let's derive this formula. So take standard general form of the quadratic equation. So consider the quadratic equation. Consider the quadratic equation. Consider the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, plus c is equal to 0. Divide by a in both sides. Divide by a in both sides. So this becomes x square plus b by a. So a cancel out, that's why I am here writing only x square, and x plus c by a is equal to 0. Okay, so now again, now add and subtract square of half of a coefficient of x. Okay, now add and subtract. Now add and subtract by b, half of b by a is 1 b upon 2a whole square. Okay, so this becomes x square plus b by ax plus c by a plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square is equal to 0. So x square plus b by ax plus c by a plus, so no, so plus sign is here. This is b upon 2a whole square plus c by a, and this is b square upon 4a is equal to 0. When we open this bracket, this is b square of 4a. So this portion is always called x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, so this minus goes to this side, is b square upon 4a minus c upon a. So x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to 4a b square minus 4, this is also square, is also square, so 4ac. Okay, so x plus b by 2a is equal to, so this is plus minus b square minus 4ac. Okay, this is square, and this becomes 2a because the square root of 4a square is 2a. Okay, so x is equal to, this also goes to the minus sign with 2a plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x is equal to upon 2a minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac b square minus 4ac. Okay, so this is called, so so the root of the root of so the root of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a if b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, and and if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, no real root has, equation has no real root, equation has no real root, no real root. Okay, equation has no real roots. Okay, equation has no real roots, thus what we have called it, thus if b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, then the root of the equation, then the root of the equation, root of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, this formula is also called, this formula this formula is known as quadratic formula. This formula is known as quadratic formula. Okay, so now this is your answer. You will go to the each and every step, how, why we will need to find a quadratic formula, and how you will find this how will you get the result of the quadratic formula. And this quadratic formula is also known as Siddharacharya formula. Okay, it is given by the great mathematician Siddharacharya ji. Okay, so thank you. Please like, subscribe and comment in my share my videos. It's really motivate me. Thank you.